আমি ক্লান্ত কিন্তু ক্ষুধার্ত নই। I'm tired but I am not hungry. I'm tired but I'm not hungry. সে ধনী কিন্তু সুখী নয়। He is rich but he is not happy. He is rich but he is not happy. তুমি এভাবেও বলতে পারো He is rich but he isn't happy. তারা মেধাবী কিন্তু সফল না। They are brilliant but they are not successful. They are brilliant but they are not successful. এটা দামি কিন্তু কাজের না। It's expensive but it is not useful. It's expensive but it's not useful. সে আমাকে সাহায্য করেছিল কিন্তু টাকা নেয়নি। He helped me but he didn't take money. He helped me but he didn't take money. আমি তাকে পছন্দ করি কিন্তু সে সেটা জানে না। I like him but he doesn't know it. I like him but he doesn't know it. সে অনেক টাকা উপার্জন করে কিন্তু বেশি খরচ করে না। He earns a lot of money but he doesn't spend much. He earns a lot of money but he doesn't spend much. এটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ছিল কিন্তু আমার জানা ছিল না। It was important but it was not known to me. It was important but it was not known to me. তারা সৎ ছিল কিন্তু সচ্ছল ছিল না। They were honest but they were not solvent. They were honest but they were not solvent. রুমটি আরামদায়ক ছিল কিন্তু ব্যয়বহুল ছিল না। The room was comfortable but it was not expensive. The room was comfortable but it was not expensive. খাবারটি সুস্বাদু ছিল কিন্তু সেটা স্বাস্থ্যকর ছিল না। The food was tasty but it was not healthy. The food was tasty but it was not healthy. Healthy আমরা অনেক সময় বলি healthy but ওয়ার্ডটা হবে healthy. Thanks for watching.